Hey guys, gotta be honest. It's been a little rough this week. The S&P is down over 2% and, not a huge drop, not 10 or 15% where, we've got big losses, but a small risk to further downside that we may want to address going forward. So I'm going to look at making a few adjustments to reduce risk and increase profits should the market continue down in the short term. The stock market's not always going to go our way. The market's going to go through ups and downs, and we need to be able to make adjustments and not go too big so that we can make money in both directions, reducing risk and continuing to profit.
In today's video, we're going to cover what do we do in our option trading accounts when the market moves against us. How do we make adjustments to benefit our option trades? And we will show you real examples of stock option trade management on the option trading platform.
Hey guys, Darren here. We've got a great video for you here today. But first, please hit that like button so we can get this video out to as many people as possible. Really appreciate it. Today we're covering option trade management. I think it's really important that we learn all the different strategies so that we understand how the rich are getting richer and we can do the same and learn together. I promise we're going to dig into many detailed option trading tips and tricks. So right after you hit that like button, be sure and subscribe so you're informed of future videos.
Also be sure to download the free options workshop in the link below. It talks about the two main benefits of trading options over buying stocks. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner and I'm not recommending trades. Please do your own research, and if you're new or learning options, I recommend you start small. What do we do in our option trading accounts when the market moves against us? Now guys, in this case, it's the end of the week and the market has moved down a little over 2% this week.
What do we do? Panic? No.
Guys, we stay true to our long-term goals and our research that we've already done. We know that these companies that we're long in and bullish on are going to come back and continue to be profitable at some point. So we just want to be able to weather the storm in the short term. We hopefully had on less than 50% in our low volatility environment that we're currently in. So we weren't going too big. The only time that we really want to have on more than 50% is when the market is at all-time lows. And we're still up over 15% this year at the beginning of the week. Do we really want to buy in and put on more at this stage as the market moves down? Probably not just yet. Let's just make some small adjustments to even out our deltas so that we continue to make money on both sides of the market while we reduce risk. How do we make adjustments to benefit our option trades? Let's open up our option trading platform. I'm using Tastyworks, which is one of the best and most intuitive for trading options. These guys are the ones that developed the TOS, Think or Swim option trading platform, and then sold it to TD Ameritrade. TD and Schwab still use this platform today.
Please use the link below and you can get cash back when you open an account. If you fund with at least $2,000, which you really need to place a few trades, the channel does get a small fee, which I really appreciate.
The first trade that we're going to make an adjustment in is DraftKings. From the chart, you can see DraftKings had a big drop recently, down to $26.37. And here's what we have on in DraftKings right now. We have 24 positive beta weighted deltas, so we're definitely long. We have 2 leaps options in January and a 28-31 strangle, which is 28 days till expiration. We've done very well overall being long DraftKings, and we want to stay that way going forward since we like the stock long term. So what we're going to do is sell 2 calls against the leaps options to turn them into poor man's covered calls. This will add $88 times 2 contracts, so $176 to our accounts right away. It has a 79% chance of being profitable. POP stands for probability of profit. Now notice that we are actually adding buying power to our account. So the brokerage is not requiring us to use any more money for this trade since it is reducing risk. You can see we are adding negative delta, which will help even further our overall delta in DraftKings. In the curve mode, we can see that we have brought our break even down to the $26 range where it is actually trading now. We hit review and send and place the trade. Enphase is another one that has been hurt recently. It's trading down at $131 right now. We have on the 125, 135, and 140, 150 iron condor. Since the market has been down so much, I'm going to roll only the 140 call down to the 135 short put strike price. By doing this, we add almost 5 negative deltas and collect another $182 in premium just upon placing this trade. We now have a 75% probability of profit. We immediately bring our break even down to $128, so below where it is currently trading. We hit review and send and place the trade. All right, the last one we're going to adjust is Palantir. Palantir was just up at $20. Now, all the way back to the $13 range is where it's at today. So I definitely want to be long here, as I don't think it can move too much further down. The real question is, how quickly will it move back up? We have on two 18 strike put options and a poor man's covered call with the leaps option and the 18 call sold against it. So we have 3 long positions with the 2 puts and the leaps. So I'm going to sell 2 short calls now to even out our deltas by adding a little negative delta. This trade has a high 85% probability of profit, and we're not required to use any more buying power since we have the 2 long positions on already. We collect $40 times 2, the 2 options, so $80, and bring our break even down to under 16, as you can see in the green profit zone. We hit review and send and place the trade.
All right, guys. Hey, the market went down and we got hurt in a few of these stocks this week. That's going to happen. We know that these stocks will come back, though. We just make a few small adjustments and wait for these stocks to come back. We reduce risk at the same time. I put a link down below for the free options workshop. Be sure and grab that. There's also an automatic options income course that is very reasonably priced that you can link to below as well. And we offer options coaching. So if you have questions you'd like to discuss one-on-one, or if you want to talk about an options trading plan, you can link to that below. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know any questions that you have, and I'll be sure and respond. Share the video with a friend, and see you in the next one.